My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
It's cracking YouTube. It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, reading another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me right now. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. Alright, so this shoe actually came out a couple weeks back. Actually, I don't even know the exact release date on this shoe. I just got it back. I didn't even know what stores it was coming into because it was so many different reports on the shoe being canceled and pushed back and different dates. I had to actually, thanks to the Unbox app, shout out to Unbox, I was able to get this shoe from a different website. I actually forgot what website. Actually, I got a box right here, so it's probably gonna tell me. Oh, Sneaker Room. Shout out to Sneaker Room. Never dealt with Sneaker Room before. It's in New Jersey, Jersey City, New Jersey. So shout out to the East Coast. I am from the East Coast, so never dealt with them before. So yeah, I mean, it came pretty fast. I think in like a week or something like that. So did pay retail for these. So still got the box all locked up and everything like that. So let me open this up real quick. And there's some strong ass tape. Wow, this has got to be the strongest tape I ever seen in my life. There we go. Yeah, actually was at basketball practice and I got the alert that this just came in, so I kind of rushed home so I can do this review. Man. Whew. It was a mission just to open this box up. Oh man, this box is so nice. This box is so nice. Alright. Well, the first good sign is that the shoe is actually here. So that's actually a good sign. But yeah, right off top, you see this new box. I love special edition boxes. You see this box with a Nike, with the like this, that goes with the name of the shoe. I'm not gonna say the name of the shoe yet, but you see the two-tone right there. But this is the sky. That's a little hint of the name. And purple. See the rim right there, and the, like the playground rim right there. This, see the little, the little city outline right there. So this is a dope box. I like this box. Regular, normal bottom half to it, like black and everything like that. But the lid is fire. This is a dope shoe box. I like that. So right off bat, let's read it. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Craft. Color is vivid orange, black ice. Suggested retail price, I think it was $180 or $190. I really can't remember. I'm surprised it didn't come with a receipt because they invoiced nothing in the box, but whatever. I think it was like $180, $190. Size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right, straight to it. I really like this box top. This is dope. All right. So without further ado, see if there's any extra laces in here before I pull them out. There is not. Okay. All right. Okay. So without further ado, we got the. Boom. Put that right there. We got the Air Jordan 1 High Skyline. Boom. All right, so I'm gonna pull out both shoes because they are different. I'm a little bit. Oh, before I do that, let me just give you all a little description off of this is off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It reads: In 1985, one single photo defined a culture shift within the sporting world. Michael Jordan had arrived in the beginning of his now multi-billion-dollar business, still resides in its infancy. Whatever. Yeah, the 6 championship rings and GOAT status. He's not the GOAT, but that's just my opinion. GOAT status would come, but first the legend of MJ will be cemented by the now famous Jumpman photo picture, Jordan in his signature dunking pose. Okay. Nearly 40 years later, the staple hues from his skyline photo have made their way onto the Air Jordan 1, which releases this Saturday, mimicking the sunset background atop the canvas overlays. Light orange and pink place among the midguard begin to transluce into a luminous set of purples and blue across the back half of the model, contrasting the full-length, a staple tumble level base layer. Draws a crisp within white introduction in tandem with the tongue construction, where jet black contrasts align across the laces. Mid-foot swoosh, upper collar, and wing logo. Finished by an aged, sail-treated midsole. Okay, this crafted box mirrors the iconic photo with the bright red branding in conclusion. And the suggested retail price is $180. Okay, I hope it didn't come with like one of those Jordan cards, because I did not get that. But if anybody let me pull it up, on my other phone, just in case y'all don't know what they're talking about. I'm gonna pull it up right now. And Jordan 1 skyline picture. Let's put picture. Maybe I can pull it up like that. See, I don't know how I would look that up. Let me see. Jumpman skyline picture. I really can't find it because I don't know. Oh, I found it. Okay. So this box is based on this picture right here. So as you see, except for Jordan is not right there. But yeah, that box is based on the background. That's the infamous Jumpman photo, and it's the back line of it. Everything but Jordan actually. I hope it didn't come. Like I said, I hope it didn't come with like no Jumpman card or nothing like that, because I didn't get that. But I don't think it did. Anyway, I'm gonna pull the other shoe out because the shoes are different a little bit. Y'all know me, I love multicolored shoes. So, if you look at the left shoe, you see that orange, like sunset type color. It's on the toe cap right there. In the back, it's like that sunset or moonlight or whatever, like purplish black right there. But if you go to the right shoe, it's reverse. So the toe cap right there is the purple up front, and the back is the orange. So, I mean, I like that. I like that a lot. As you can see on the side, see the purple right there by the Jumpman, and then the orange on this side. This is a dope shoe. Like, I like this shoe. Like, this is a dope shoe. Black laces, no extra laces come into it. Nike Air right there on the tongue. Air Jordan wings right there. This material, it's I guess it's like they said craft or whatever, but this material is like a don't really say, but it feels like a yeah, like canvas, like a canvas material. It is some tumble level on the side panel right there, and on the toe box right there. But yeah, like a canvas, absolutely right on that. This is canvas. I like it, and the Nike Swoosh is canvas too. Dope shoe. I mean, I like it. I like it. It's a dope shoe. I like it. I can't really say too much about it. It was the rumored date got pushed back so much. Like, I didn't even know when the actual date was this, but I was looking forward to this shoe. That midsole, like they said, that off-white kind of sail midsole color right there, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, no extra laces. No extra laces really needed. Black laces is perfect for this. So, I mean, it's a dope shoe. I like it. Classic 1 to 10. What you gonna do?
5. What?
This is not a 5.
It is.
This is not a 5.
It looks like a normal shoe.
It's not a 5.
It is.
You gotta be the worst person at giving grades I've ever. You have got to be the worst. Either that, or you just don't like. You know what? Wait a minute. What am I saying? You just don't like Jordans. I forgot you don't like Jordans. But this is a 5.
Yes.
Why is this a 5?
It looks like a normal shoe, but with 2 colors.
So it's not a normal shoe. It has 2 colors. I'm gonna give this a 7.5. I'm gonna give it a 7. I can't go 8. I don't like this canvas material. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like that. But I do like the. Is this a scuff on this already? Oh, I thought it was a scuff on it already. I do like the contrasting colors. I like the box. The box right there is just dope. I like that. I give it 7.5. 7.5 for me. Not special, but not plain. It ain't boring. It's a nice shoe. I can see. All right, I can tell you this. I can see people sleeping on these. And I've been to Shoe Palace. I've seen this in Shoe Palace. But I can see people not going to go pick up this shoe just because of the canvas material. But I also can see people 5 years from now, when the shoe's not on the shelf, like, damn, maybe I should have got that shoe. Not saying it's going to be a big resale to this. It's not, because I think right now, let's see what it's going for on StockX. I'm like 99% sure it's not going for nothing on StockX. Let's see. Jordan 1 Skyline. Okay, let's see. So on StockX, oh yeah, it's not going for nothing. Oh, that's gold. Okay. So on StockX, in my size. One second. I'm sorry, y'all. Yeah. Okay, yeah, these not going for nothing. These are, wow. These are actually going below retail. So these are 180. I think I paid 190. And in my size, they're 132 right now. Sheesh. Yeah, so I guess Classic is not the only person that don't like this shoe. In my size, they go for I've never seen a shoe go for that low. Wow. Yeah, okay, well, I guess I'm the only person that like it. Oh, well, I like them. They cool. But also, if you look at, StockX is like, I don't really judge my shoes by that. Because, like, you remember when everybody was going crazy for the Lost and Founds? Like this shoe right here. Everybody's going crazy for Lost and Founds. And everybody's waiting for the restock of that. Right now, oh no, they kind of below. They going for $370 right now. But StockX up and down. But I can't believe this is going below retail. I could have just bought this from StockX. I don't really deal with StockX, so I don't really like it. But anyway, shout out to Sneaker Room. That's what it's called, right? Yeah, shout out to Sneaker Room in New Jersey. Shout out to Sneaker News for the information. And y'all let me know in the comments below if this was a cop or drop. I like it. That's all that matters. I bought it. So I will be posting a video tomorrow on the Air Jordan 1 High. I think they're called the Lucky Greens. I think they're pretty much called the Lucky Greens. The green ones is coming up on Saturday. I will be posting that, and I might be picking up a LeBron too. I'm not gonna do a video for that because it's so old. It's a LeBron 7, the Florida AMT. Is that what the name of that college is? I think it's called Florida AMT, something like that. I don't know. Not Florida Gators. Was it Florida Gators? I don't know. But I will be doing a review on that too. Inside of the Jordan 1 review. So they're gonna be together, mixed together. Anyway, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.